toll to the angels, drawing circles in the clouds. Keep your mind on the distance when the devil turns around.